Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix an upside down Zoom screen. If you've ever joined a meeting only to find your video is flipped or rotated the wrong way, this quick fix will have you looking right side up in no time. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your computer and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email address and password correctly to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoom home screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options for starting or joining a call. Next, go ahead and join a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the Join button and entering the meeting ID or by selecting a scheduled meeting from your list. This step is important because you need to be in an active meeting to access the video settings we'll be adjusting. Once you're in the meeting, your video will appear along with the meeting controls at the bottom of your screen. Now, look down at the bottom left toolbar where you'll see the video button. Right next to it, you'll notice a small up arrow symbol. Click on this up arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with additional video options. This menu gives you access to various camera settings and effects that can enhance or adjust your video appearance during meetings. From the drop-down menu, click on Video and Effects Settings. This will open a new window that displays your current video feed along with several customization options. The Video and Effects Settings panel is where Zoom allows you to fine-tune how your camera captures and displays your image, including rotation, filters, and background effects. In the top right corner of the Video and Effects Settings window, you'll see a button labeled Rotate 90 degrees. This is the key to fixing your upside down or sideways video. Click on this button to rotate your video feed 90 degrees at a time. Each click will turn your video another 90 degrees clockwise, so you may need to click it multiple times depending on how your camera is oriented. Keep clicking the Rotate 90 degrees button until your video appears upright and correctly positioned on your screen. You'll be able to see the changes happening in real time within the preview window, so it's easy to know when you've got it right. Once your video looks the way it should, simply close the Video and Effects Settings window. Zoom will automatically save your rotation preference, so you won't have to repeat this process every time you join a meeting. And there you have it, your Zoom video is now displaying correctly and you're ready to present yourself professionally in your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.